there are several kinds of themes that you may want to use. There are free themes, although I personally do not use that much of a free themes. Usually free themes have very limited customization if it serves the main purpose of the website that you are going to do, or the main purpose of your website. So there are also what we call premium themes that you may want to choose. In my experience for the past 10 years, it's always best to use the premium themes because it offers a lot of customization. It has a better flexibility when it comes to features. So you may want to consider using that. There are also themes that are tailor-made. It depends on your needs. Although for me, I don't much recommend this route because this is more expensive type of themes. If you want highly customized themes, you can use that, but it's more expensive, more difficult to maintain, and most probably you will need an expert coder every time that you are going to troubleshoot it. So that's why I don't recommend highly customized themes. Instead, I would prefer to use a premium theme that has a theme builder in it, like Divi or like Elementor. Personally, I always prefer Divi. That's my I would say I am more proficient in using Divi than Elementor. Although I have used Elementor several times already, but I always find Divi to be the easier one than in comparison to Elementor. Number 3, you need to choose a mobile-friendly theme. Now, WordPress themes or WordPress have significantly jumped in comparison 20 years ago in comparison to up to date. So, meaning there are lots of improvements that you can see in WordPress themes in our time now. So, personally, I would choose something that is more mobile friendly, since most of the people that browse the website are now using mobile phones.